Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can turn off notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and here just to turn off the button against notifications. Notifications button is available here. Just turn off it and you will not get any notifications in the notification area. Hereafter you will not get any notification. In this way you can easily turn off notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. What you have to do is just go to the settings, go to lock screen, then make sure that notifications button is turned off. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.